Welcome, friends. All day it's been sunny and hot. All my mind could think about on this Friday in August was getting on the mountain and exploring the trails. I'd look forward to an evening afterwards sitting on the back deck of the visitor center watching the sun disappear behind Moore's Tower. Unfortunately, about 30 minutes before leaving the office, well, the weather had different plans. I still had hope that perhaps it would clear up in time and allow me the one thing I'd look forward to all day. Heck, all week. Getting out and just being with nature. Luckily, I did have a coworker who reminded me of an old general store in the middle of nowhere that was used for a horror movie in 2002. More about that in a moment. As I drove the winding roads that seemed to go on forever, it was so relaxing of a journey, and it gave me time to think about the things that I am truly grateful for. Finally, I arrived at my destination, 2121 Shepherd Mill Road in Danbury. I pulled in the little parking spot and proceeded to explore the old store, both inside and, of course, outside. I was greeted by the lovely Miss Jane as I entered the historic establishment. Throughout my visit, we talked about a host of things, including the store's part in the 2002 movie Cabin Fever. Being a fan of horror movies, I was thrilled to check out this place. So many antiques, and the store history was spread throughout. It felt as though I was traveling through different decades with every step in this store, from 1880s all the way to present time. I really love history, and for me, it's just awesome to see the history and the old historic items, pictures, and so on. Built in 1888, the building is actually one of Stokes County's historic landmarks, owned and operated by the Priddy family since 1929. The store is a must-see if you are in the Hanging Rock State Park area. Stop in and say hi to Miss Jane. She's a lovely lady, and if you enjoy bluegrass music, they actually have live music every Saturday in October, and also I believe every Friday in February. It was a real lovely visit. I really do look forward to visiting again with my son. I can't wait.
A few minutes later.
Let's take a moment and learn a little history here. During the Civil War, the Confederacy relied on small rural ironworks for their metals needed to manufacture cannons, swords, and firearms. The furnace here, owned by the Moratok Mining and Manufacturing Company, was typical of the charcoal blast furnaces operated through North Carolina. It utilized charcoal made of the trees cut in the area and local iron ore deposits to produce pig iron and cast iron. Early in April 1865, Union General George Stoneman's cavalry moved from Virginia south through Danbury and put the ironworks out of commission. General Stoneman had expected to encounter resistance in Stokes County, but actually found none, and soon learned that General Robert E. Lee had surrendered his army in Virginia at Appomattox Courthouse on April 9, 1865. The furnace operated intermittently after 1870 until it closed in 1890. Nathaniel Moody and John Pepper built Moody's Tunnel Ironworks here in 1843. Reuben Golding, who formed the Stokes Iron Mining Company, purchased the works in 1854. He and his partners incorporated the Moratok Mining and Manufacturing Company in 1862.